Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make fried cabbage. This is super easy to make and it's total comfort food. To start, you'll need 6 slices of thick cut bacon, and you just want to cut those into small pieces. We're going to cook the bacon in a large skillet over medium heat. The bacon will take a good 10 minutes to crisp up, so in the meantime, you want to prep the rest of your ingredients. You'll need 1/3 cup of finely diced onion, and then you'll also need some sliced cabbage. Find the stem and then take a sharp knife and slice the cabbage in half. You only need half a head for today's recipe, so we'll set this on its side, and starting the opposite side of the stem, you'll slice the cabbage into thin slices, and then you can roughly chop up those slices. You're looking for nice bite-sized pieces. Once the rest of your ingredients are ready to go, you can head on back over to the stove and check on the bacon. Once the bacon is nice and crispy, you'll want to use a slotted spatula to remove it and place it onto a paper towel-lined plate to drain. But don't get rid of that bacon grease, we're gonna use it. Add the diced onion into the bacon grease and cook this until the onions just start to turn translucent, which will take about 5 minutes. Then you can add in all of your sliced, chopped up cabbage. Season that with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I just use 1/4 teaspoon of each. You can always add more later. And then I add in 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika to add to that smokiness of the bacon, and a tablespoon of brown sugar, which is optional, but it adds a nice contrast to have a little sweet and salty. You want to saute the cabbage for about 7 to 10 minutes until it's soft. Once that cabbage is soft, add back in the bacon, give it a stir, and you are ready to eat. Now, it's really easy to make this vegetarian if you want. Instead of using the bacon and the bacon fat, just fry up your onion and cabbage in 2 to 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Either way you do it, this is super yummy, total comfort food. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.